Welcome to Tech with iX, our new technical support video series. I'm Callum from the iX Cameras technical support team, and in this video I'll guide you step by step through downloading and installing your iX software for the first time. When you purchase one of our cameras, you will receive a unique iX Cameras USB drive. Insert the USB into a computer with internet access. Then open the USB and follow the link provided to access the Welcome to your new camera page on our website. Complete the form with accurate details including your organisation name, address, email, camera serial number and model number. This information helps our support team to locate your camera within our system. After submitting the form, our technical support team will process your request and email you a software download zip file within 24 hours, provided the information is complete and accurate. Once you receive the software zip file, download it to your computer. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All to unzip it. Inside you'll find installers for the following software: iXControl Setup, iXMovieMaker Setup, iXViewer Setup and ProAnalyst 2023 Setup. Please note that ProAnalyst is developed by iXitex and any support requests for ProAnalyst will be forwarded to the iXitex technical support team. Open the extracted folder and run each installer one at a time. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. After installation, check that the relevant application icons appear on your desktop. Complete each installation fully. Interrupting this process may corrupt the software, which will mean you will have to request the software again. If you have the standard iX software bundle, you're ready to use the software after installation. If you have the premium bundle, please continue to watch. Premium users will have received a second USB key called the Sentinel HASP USB. This key unlocks advanced features included in the premium package. Close any iX software, then insert the Sentinel HASP USB key into your computer. The key should light up red shortly after insertion, indicating activation. Open the iXControl software and verify that the application name has changed from Control 1 to Control Multi-DAC. This confirms your premium features are active. Finally, open each application to ensure they launch without errors. If everything works correctly, you're ready to start using our software. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching Tech with iX. If you have any further questions or need any assistance, please contact us at techsupport@ixcameras.com. Additional resources and guides are available on our website at www.ix-cameras.com. Thank you again for watching.